Grinders. Containers. The engineer needs to turn the key anti-clockwise and then open the front panel. To remove the coffee containers, the service engineer needs to close the two tabs that close the container and unscrew the safety screw. Alongside the tab is the screw to adjust grinding fineness. After this, the engineer can remove the coffee container. Grinder changing. To change the grinders, the engineer needs to clean out, suction, the coffee beans remaining in the grinder, and the engineer will need to loosen the adjustment worm screw that adjusts grinding fineness using the Phillips screwdriver, and then to slide the regulator from the top. The service engineer will then loosen the top ring nut on the grinder and clean the seating to remove any coffee deposits. The next stage is to disassemble the grinders using a flathead screwdriver. When refitting the parts, the engineer will need to screw on the top grinder completely until it touches, and then turn it half a turn back. Then, refit the adjustment screw, secure it to the grinder, and reassemble the whole unit. Use the relevant screw to adjust grinding fineness to obtain the desired coffee quality. Changing the condenser. To access the condensers, the service engineer will have to switch off the machine and remove the left panel by taking out the two screws with a Phillips head screwdriver from the top and the two screws from the front. To remove the condensers, disconnect the fastons and using a 13mm wrench, remove the nut on the panel of the condenser and then remove the condenser itself.